Start. Up and down and shake, shake. At the same time, up and down and shake, shake, shake. Shake to the right. Huwag yun execute. Hanggang ang pili, ha? Balik. Oh, madam. Yung participate, madam.
Sakit na yan, Tinsel.
Dog.
Sir, sakit na
5, 4, 3, 2,
yan,
start. Up and down and shake, shake. Shake, shake, Papa. Shake your body. Uy!
Shake your body, man.
Shake or shake!
Sir, sakit ang tenders, sir.
Karong ay, pakita mo sayaw ka, taraw!
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hoy!
Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Up and down and shake, shake, shake. Shake to the right.
Shake.
All right, all the five of you sit down here. Until the end, you should sit down there.
Woo!
There is a punishment. If you're being very good.
Hi, Dax! Hi, Dax!
Actually, this part of our training here, and we're serious with it. You know, we have no classes for the whole day just for you, and yet you are not disciplining yourselves. You're already fourth year and third year, yet you cannot follow instructions. Right. These five are our models